Who's next?
This guy.
Let's do this. Wanna use this one too?
No.
Just this?
Yeah, this is the final.
Oh, okay. I wanna pick this one.
No, this is the user.
Okay, I wanna use it.
Okay.
So now we have these two.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Go. Think this one way. What do you think?
I think it's the blue.
This one?
Yeah.
Let's see. That's cool. Here, it's for you. Which one now?
Get this one.
You can put it here, Papa, look. What do you think?
This guy. This guy.
Okay.
Oh
no.
No, not this guy.
The other one?
Yeah. This guy. A gray. Gray one. I got the line. So this is the user. That's the user. Here's the user.
Yeah, I can put it here. This way.
Yeah. This one. Yeah.
Next one.
This. I got this.
Let me see. Beautiful.
Oh, this guy.
Yeah.
Him.
I like the jump.
This guy is here. And here. This guy.
Those three win.
Yeah. This guy.
Can I pick one?
Let's put this first.
Okay.
When we can go, I want to pick. Can you pick that guy?
No. I like this one.
Oh, I want to pick this guy. It's my food. No, this.
Okay.
Then this comes next. Ready, set, go. Oh, waiting!
Yeah.
Waiting's cut the line. It's waiting. Waiting's cut the line. Oh. I think is the winner.
So this one is the next?
Yeah. Waiting. Let's do waiting.
Yeah.
What's this? I want good this guy. That's perfect.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go.